We are at Fabspeed. We have a 2008 BMW M3. We just installed our high flow cats and our X pipe. We have Phil from G Design down here right now. Did the BMC filter as well. How are we doing, Phil?
What's going on?
Happy to get the product installed?
Awesome. Everything looks great. The fit and finish is perfect. I trusted you guys for years with all my Porsche cars, and now you guys hooked up the M3, and I'm real happy. I can't wait to get it on the road and open this thing up.
Good, Phil, thanks for coming down to Fabspeed. Let's get a cold start going on.
Just rev it. Rev it. All right, go.